Okay, this is a probability question which is going to involve you drawing a tree diagram. It says in box X there are 4 red discs, so we've got 4 red discs and 3 green discs. In box Y there are 3 red discs and 2 green discs. Florence takes at random a disc from box X and puts it into box Y. So you can take one from here and then put it in box Y. She then takes a random disc from box Y. Okay, let's just do the tree diagram for that situation first. So here are my 2 boxes. So, first of all, she's going to take a disc from box X. So she can take a green and a red. And the chance of taking a green is 3 out of 7, and the chance of taking a red is 4 out of 7. And then so here she puts the green into here. So now 6 discs altogether, and 3 of those are green. So for box Y, they're now going to be out of 6. So there's going to be 3 out of 6 green, and then 3 out of 6 red. Okay, the reds won't change because there'll just be an extra green disc in box Y. Now, if she took a red first of all and put it in here, they're now going to be 4 out of 6 red, but only 2 out of 6 green. Okay, so that's the first important thing, is to draw that tree diagram to try to understand the problem. Now at the end we can work out the probability. So the probability of green and a green is going to be 3/7 times 3/6, which is 9 out of 42. The probability of a green and a red is going to be 3/7 times 3/6, again, which is 9 out of 42. The probability of a red and a green is going to be 4/7 times 2/6, which is 8 out of 42. And the probability of a red and a red is going to be 4/7 times 4/6, which is going to be 16 out of 42. You should just check at this point that these do add up to 1. Right, now we're going to answer the question. It says calculate the probability that the disc she takes from box X and the disc that she takes from box Y will both be red discs. So if we just draw the tree diagram again, so we have the tree diagram again, and therefore the probability of a red and a red, that's what we want, is going to be 16 out of 42. Because here we get a probability of a red and a red, which is going to be 16 out of 42 from the tree diagram. That cancels down to 8 out of 21. Calculate the probability that the disc she takes from box Y will be a green disc. Well, she'll take a green disc here and here from box Y. So box Y will be green, will be this one here, which are coloured in orange, and this one here. These 2 events are mutually exclusive, i.e. cannot happen at the same time. Therefore, we add together the probability. So the probability of a green and a green plus the probability of a red and a green. So that's green from box X and green from box Y. Red from box X, green from box Y. So it's going to be 9 out of 42 plus 8 out of 42, which is equal to 17 out of 42. So this has been a video to show you how to solve a probability problem using a tree diagram. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.